Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Wednesday catch-up video. Winter certainly hit with a little bit of a vengeance. It's been really cool today. It's absolutely freezing in my workshop, and I've got no kerosene or diesel left for my little heater. I'll be going to rectify that problem tomorrow and get the heating on and get stuck in. On about getting stuck in, it's now sort of the close season as far as steam rallies are concerned, and I've got quite a few steam wagons and steam engine related bits and pieces to repair. I've got some valve operator linkage to rebush, and I've got some interesting stuff to do, which will be on Patreon channel, and then it'll come down onto here a little bit later on. In today's video, once again, I'm going to show an old video. I went into my videos and I clicked on popular, and one of the most popular videos is when my Harrison 140 lathe was delivered. Believe it or not, I've actually had the lathe 10 years. It's hard to think, hard to believe I've had it for 10 years. It's been a real pleasure to use. It's only ever given a problem once, and that was sort of my fault, really. Right, that's enough talk. Let's get on. We'll watch the video. Let's know what you think.
I'd like to say a big thank you to Steve from Lathe, who picked me lathe up, brought it up for us and dropped it off in my garage just where I wanted it, without any dramas or hassle. Really good, professional, first class service. Thanks, Steve. Also my friend Mick, who stopped and gave a hand to unload it and also helped start to clean it up.
This is one of the chucks that come with a new lathe. It's actually a Jacob's chuck on a number 3 Morse taper. It's got a little bit of surface pitting on it. It hasn't had a great deal of use because there's no wear on the holes. The holes go oval when they get worn. All I'm going to do is check the surface rust of it. What we'll do, we'll mount it in we'll put it in the chuck like that. Put a centre in the back of it. So I'm going to use emery tape to clean it. There's a lot of people commenting on using emery tape on lathes. You've got to be very careful what you're doing. You must make sure your sleeves are rolled up, no loose bits of material, no long hair. You don't want to get caught in there. There's 2 ways of doing it. You can use a long bit of tape like that. Keep your hands well away, just between your finger and thumb like that. So if it does get caught, you can just let go, or you can use a small bit like that. It just physically can't wrap round. Both methods still require a lot of care. All we're doing is cleaning the rust up. We don't want to take any material off the taper. Personally, I prefer the long bit like that. Cleaning up quite nicely. It is a good chuck. It's actually slipping. I haven't got a fantastically tight hold of it so you can actually stop it. So you can see how I'm holding the emery tape. I can just let go. And that's starting to come up quite nicely. that has come up quite nicely. There's no serious pitting on the taper, so that'll work perfectly alright. The chuck feels nice and smooth. And put a little bit of oil inside it. Yeah, the two chucks that come with the lathe, both cleaned up, both Jacob's chucks. I've got a chuck key for the big one, I'll have to buy one for the small one. That's a number 3, and that is a number 36. Both Jacob's chucks, both in very good condition, especially this one. This one's seen very little work at all. Just light surface rust which is cleaned off. I've had the tailstock apart, cleaned it, greased it. Just go with a little hand out and just give it a polish on the lathe with some emery tape, just the same as a chuck. Even the paint's not worn. Normally you sound your hand rest on there and you get the paint worn. The little ball handles have got the sharp casting rib around the centre where they were actually cast. There's just no wear on it at all. Feels nice and tight, there's hardly any play on the nut, hardly any backlash in it. The bore up there, the number 3 most taper bore, has got no nasty sharp bits or wear marks or witness marks where there's a drill or something spun in there. That's absolutely beautiful in there. I know on my box fat there is 1 or 2 marks in there where drills have been allowed to spin. And there is marks on the paintwork, there's bound to be, because it's quite old. It certainly wouldn't be going to get repainted. This is one of the parts that's often missing from a Harrison lathe. It goes into the front of the spindle, front of the lathe spindle, and takes it from whatever taper that is down to a Morse taper. So you can put a centre in to machine between centres. Once again, it's got very slight surface pitting on it and some little marks. A nice gentle rub with the emery tape will take care of them. That's all it needs. A light rub with oil will protect that now. I've seen people, you can make one. Be quite an interesting project to actually make one. But I know these do. They are hard to get and people will pay decent money for a one if they haven't got one. I'm fortunate enough that the lathe come with all its accessories. Yeah.
Well, the bottom of
Nothing wrong with that.
there's the 100
Get it, swing it over there, you know. cable just went straight down to there. And that's something that covered. I used to work on a big boat with that bed, but lots of apples on it.
Yeah.
20 kilometre, you leave from the first end.
Kind of gadget that means on there. So, you know, I know what we're on yesterday.
What no free kids,
Grab a couple of them boards so I can get them.
I can get all of it, yeah. It's nice when you get them down a bit, isn't it? Oh, way aye.
Got down onto rollers now,
Yeah,
so it's not going to clear that unless I shorten that sling, but for that distance.
it's running in.
It's, yeah, 2 rollers is all we need.
Oh.
Do you want me to use mine or? Here's some we made earlier.
Someone cut up earlier, right?
Just use 2 if that's alright.
I knew that, just
So what I do is just go in and then it balances. Take the front one out and pop it in the back.
Okay.
Try and get in a little bit further. You're on the roller at the other side?
Yeah.
Aye.
Yeah. We'll undo all that lot and get the crane out of the way. Right.
Best off not getting it right back anyway.
I want to work on it anyway.
Get our tank.
Tank off, just as I go in there.
I mean, you want to get in there and get our hoover off and all that.
Aye.
Yeah, the same, just getting in on the perfect job and just come up.
I did that one.
Aye. Once you're using it, it'll be alright.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm happy to you there anyway.
Yeah, you can play with that now.
Get round around.
Coffee, please.
Coffee.
Milk, no sugar.
Same as mine, strongish.
Please, yes.
Sorry, brother.
For all potential customers, milk, no sugar, strongish.
This is the new lathe that arrived earlier on this morning. It's a Harrison 140 metric lathe. It's a 3-phase machine running through a trans-wave rotary converter. Converter on. That's a main lathe motor running. Had a good bit of play with it, all the feeds work, everything works like it's supposed to. Started cleaning it up, it's coming up quite nicely. The power feed both ways. The lathe's got a 2-speed motor. It gives it a top speed of 2000 RPM. You see it's starting to clean up quite nice. As a lad emailed us, he's got a new tool post for us, a quick change tool post that's in the post, so that'll be getting changed. What we thought was rust is actually like protective grease. So all in all I'm very happy with it, it's cleaned up nice. Put all the bits for it, all the chocks. Right, we've just got to try it at 2000 RPM. That's nice. Actually, it's a 3/8 taper on that, bigger at this end, which just means the tailstock's got to go away a little bit. It's just one setting up, that's all. Yep, 3/8. When I do, I'll get a nice long test bar and get it all set up properly. Certainly put a decent finish on. The 3/8 taper means the tailstock needs setting up, which you would expect. But it certainly is putting a decent finish on. Thanks very much for watching, thanks for subscribing, and thanks for clicking the like button. A special thanks for all the well wishes that have come in for Deb's, my wife. Once again, a special thanks to Steve from Lathe. An excellent job, very well done. So if you need something moving, something heavy, into an awkward place, give Steve a ring, I'm sure he'll help you. Once again, just time to say thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. And I am still going to bang on about this mental health issue, because people just, they won't go and get the help that's available. They bottle things up, they do and share it with our friends and our family, and it has tragic consequences. Please, lads and lasses, but especially lads, because we're the worst for it, like being sort of big, rough, tough, and don't want to talk about it. If you've got mental health issues, you need to go and get help, please. Anyway, thanks for watching.